The Commission is independent of government and brings together a group of 11 people with different backgrounds, experience and knowledge. The job of the Commission is to consider, explore and develop a range of options for how Wales could be run in the future. The Commission will examine how decisions are made by governments in areas of life in Wales that affect us all every day. We'll review how Wales is currently run within the UK and how this is working. We'll also explore what options might be better to improve the lives of people living in Wales. So why now? Across the UK, there's a recognition that the Union needs reform, and movements for more radical change are gaining traction. The UK could change radically, and Wales needs to be ready. The Commission will put Wales on the front foot. As an independent group, the Commission is free to explore the options that it feels would best serve the needs of Wales. And we want to speak to you and every citizen living in Wales. One of the Commission's roles is to engage with the Welsh public and kickstart a national conversation. We want to hear from people in every community in Wales and ask you, what kind of Wales do you want to live in?